ATC2000 is a low-noise heating system for maintaining animal body temperature during experimental procedures. Here we will look at the main display on the front panel to see what information is available and the 3 operational modes. The main display window shows the set point and the mode of operation on the left side of the screen. On the right side, the control temperature and the plate temperature values are visible. The arrow next to the RTD probe indicates that the RTD probe is the controlled temperature. In this illustration, the unit is controlled by the RTD probe. In this case, the thermocouple probe temperature can be viewed by pressing the display button. When the unit controls the thermocouple probe, that temperature displays on this screen. The OK next to the temperature here indicates that the temperature falls within the parameters defined by the low and high alarm limits. If the temperature falls below the low limit, low displays instead of OK. Likewise, if it exceeds the high limit, high displays. If the message error high appears on the temperature display, the temperature probe is either disconnected or defective. When the plate temperature or the control temperature falls outside of the alarm limits, the appropriate alarm LED illuminates. If the audible alarm is enabled, it will also sound. This instrument has 3 modes of operation: normal, adaptive, and shutdown. The normal mode compares the temperature of the configured sensor, either RTD or thermocouple, with the set point to control the heater. In the adaptive mode, the sensor in the heated plate is used as the control trigger for the set point. A platinum sensor inside the plate monitors the plate temperature very precisely. The temperature of the subject using the selected probe is sampled at regular intervals, and the difference between the temperature of the subject and the desired set point is used to control the heating of the plate. The sampling interval should be set long enough to allow the subject and the plate to stabilize before the temperature is sampled and the heating is adjusted. The default sampling interval is 3 minutes. This approach is less prone to overshoot, but somewhat slower than the normal mode, depending on your sampling rate used. This mode cannot be enabled when the heater plate is selected as the temperature source. Shutdown mode is a fail-safe mode. If the plate temperature ever exceeds 45 degrees Celsius, the unit automatically enters the shutdown mode. In this mode, the controller brings the heater temperature into the shutdown mode set point. Once the controller enters shutdown mode, it will remain in that state until you change it. You can press the up and down button simultaneously to manually return the unit to normal mode of operation. However, if the temperature exceeds 45 degrees Celsius, the unit will return to shutdown mode. If you have any questions, just give us a call.